Right here's the Mosko Moto Gnat Bar Bag. I've had some people ask questions about it, so why not talk about it while we're riding around? So first of all, this thing is built extremely well. I mean, as you guys know, the quality from those guys is second to none. One thing I don't like is the bars that I have. So I have 7/8 bars with the crossbar with the pad. So when the bag sits on it, the top of the bag is above the crossbar pad, if that makes sense. And I'm a little OCD. I like stuff to be lined up. So with my bar setup, I think it's set up sits a little too high. As far as the size, it's very small. Basically what I have in here is some charger cables, registration, a couple zip ties, a little bit of tape, and my wallet and keys, and it's pretty much full. And I don't even have my phone or glasses or anything in the front pocket, which is kind of cool. The little front pocket here, this one, it has like a fleece lining, so you could put your cell phone or a pair of glasses inside there. So that's kind of cool. But if you need something just for, you know, around town, or if you don't need to carry that much, I always have a backpack with me with water and camera gear and all that stuff. So I don't really need a big one. But yeah, if you're looking for a real small one, just for a few things that's gonna last, it's a little expensive, but I mean, you pay for what you get. You could get a cheap Amazon bag and the seams will rip after a few months. This will probably be the last bar bag you'll need, at least for a few seasons. Maybe when I'm done riding, I'll show you the inside of it. Oh, another cool thing it has, I forgot, is there's a little like clip inside for your keys, so your keys won't fall out. That's pretty cool. And then on both sides, the front and the back, there's a little mesh pockets internally. That's where I keep like some charger cables and registration. Plus it looks amazing. Those guys have the best styling, in my opinion. So here's the inside of the bag. You got these little pockets here with some Velcro. I keep some extra charger cables, some drink pouch, keys connected to that little clip, my wallet, registration, some zip ties. So you have a little bit more room. You could probably fit a few GoPro batteries in here, or something else that you have. And then you got this pocket here, nice fleece lining. And then these little things to secure it on the side. Comes with these Volet straps. These are really nice. Yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. So yeah, that's it. Check them out.